And there's a lot of things which psychologists either didn't learn when they were students, or as time goes on, issues which they need to face because things have changed. So that's what the bulletproofing psychology is all about. Up-to-date, current ethical understandings, protecting you from registration board complaints, dealing with practical issues. The second workshop is on how to write notes and keep good records. This is one of the most common areas people ask me questions. They've been practicing for a long time. They're clinicians. They don't know what they should record. And when they get an APRA audit, it's the first thing APRA looks at. Therefore, it's important they're done well. Last workshop is on separation and divorce. There's a lot of aspects which the average practitioner comes across where they have clients referred for therapy, whether they're kids or adults. One of the most common reasons men come to therapy is because a relationship's broken up and they've been told to go and get some therapy. And this workshop is about understanding what parents are going through, but more importantly, what the kids are going through, what kids need, and the directions which are going to best help them. This is particularly relevant because in April 2024, there has changed to the family law rules about how the court is going to deal with these issues. So it's helpful for practitioners to understand what children need, what adults need, and how to give good advice.